Your brain is not showing you reality. It is editing it, filtering it, predicting it, and sometimes completely rewriting it. Every second, your mind hides information from you so you can function without being overwhelmed. But once you understand what it's doing behind the scenes, you may never trust your own perception the same way again. Today, we're counting down 5 things your brain is hiding from you. And number 1 might be the reason reality itself feels so seamless. Number 5, your brain stops you from tickling yourself. Try to tickle yourself. It doesn't really work. You can touch your ribs, your neck, or the palm of your hand, but it never feels the same as when someone else does it. That's because your brain knows the movement is coming. When you move your own hand, your brain predicts the sensation before it happens. It creates a kind of internal warning message that says, "This touch is self-produced. Ignore the surprise." One of the key brain areas involved is the cerebellum. The cerebellum helps predict the sensory consequences of your own movements. So, when you try to tickle yourself, your brain cancels out much of the surprise before the feeling fully reaches awareness. That's why someone else can make you jump, but your own hand usually can't. Your brain is constantly separating what comes from you from what comes from the outside world. And that hidden filter is one reason you don't experience every movement as strange or shocking. Number 4, your brain fills in missing vision. You have a blind spot in each eye, not metaphorically, literally. There is a small area on your retina where the optic nerve exits the eye. That spot has no photoreceptor cells, which means it cannot detect light. So technically, there is a hole in your vision. But you don't see a black dot floating around every day. Why? Because your brain fills it in. It uses the colors, lines, patterns, and textures around the blind spot to guess what should be there. If you're looking at a wall, it fills in wall. If you're looking at the sky, it fills in sky. If you're looking at a pattern, it extends the pattern. This process is called perceptual filling in, and it happens so automatically that you never notice it. Your brain is not giving you raw visual data. It is constructing a clean version of the world, patching the gaps before you even realize anything is missing. So part of what you see every day is real, and part of it is your brain's best guess. Number 3, your brain can miss the obvious. Your eyes may be open, but that doesn't mean your brain is paying attention. One of the most famous psychology experiments asked people to watch a video of players passing a basketball. Their task was simple: count the passes. But while they were focused on counting, a person in a gorilla suit walked through the scene. The gorilla stopped, faced the camera, and even beat its chest. And still, many people didn't notice it. This is called inattentional blindness. When your attention is locked onto one task, your brain can completely ignore something obvious right in front of you. Not because your eyes failed, but because your attention was somewhere else. This happens in real life too. You can miss a friend waving at you. You can miss a typo in a sentence. You can even miss danger when your attention is overloaded. Your brain is powerful, but it has limits, so it chooses what seems important and discards the rest. The scary part is that you don't notice what got discarded. You only experience the version of reality your attention allowed through. Number 2, your brain rewrites your memories. Most people think memories are like video files. You store them, you replay them, and if the memory feels vivid, it must be accurate. But that's not how memory works. Memory is reconstructive. Every time you remember something, your brain rebuilds it. It pulls together details, emotions, context, assumptions, and later information. And sometimes, the reconstruction changes the memory itself. One classic study showed people videos of car crashes and then asked them how fast the cars were going. But the wording changed. Some people were asked how fast the cars were going when they hit each other. Others were asked how fast they were going when they smashed into each other. That one word changed how people remembered the event. The smashed group estimated higher speeds and were more likely to remember broken glass, even when there wasn't any. That means your memories are not perfect recordings. They are stories your brain rebuilds every time you access them. And over time, those stories can change. Not because you're lying, but because your brain is trying to make sense of the past, using the information it has now. So the version of your life you remember may not be exactly what happened. It may be what your brain has reconstructed. And now, for number one, your brain predicts reality before you experience it. This is the biggest one. Your brain does not just receive information from the world, it predicts the world. Every second, your brain is making guesses about what it expects to see, hear, feel, and experience next. Then it compares those predictions with the signals coming from your senses. If the prediction is close enough, you experience a smooth reality. If the prediction is wrong, your brain updates. This is one of the ideas behind predictive processing and predictive coding. In simple terms, your brain is not passively watching reality. It is actively building it. That's why you can read messy handwriting. That's why you can understand a sentence even when a word is missing. That's why your brain can fill in visual gaps, ignore repeated background noise, and react before you consciously process what happened. Your brain is constantly asking, what is most likely happening right now? Then it shows you that version. This is not a flaw, it's survival. If your brain waited for perfect information before acting, you'd be too slow. So instead, it predicts, it edits, it filters, it hides uncertainty, and it creates the stable world you experience as reality. Outro. So there you have it. 5 things your brain is hiding from you. It stops you from tickling yourself. It fills in missing vision. It makes you miss obvious details. It rewrites your memories, and it predicts reality before you fully experience it. Your brain is not lying to hurt you. It's lying to help you survive, because the world is too complex to process all at once. So your mind gives you a simplified version, a useful version. Which one surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want more videos that reveal the hidden science of being human, subscribe to Focus Forge.